The Amish lifestyle is simple, but their food, it's rich in tradition, homegrown ingredients, and old-fashioned flavors. Unlike modern diets filled with processed food, the Amish rely on fresh, homemade meals that are both frugal and nutritious. In this video, we'll take you through a full day of Amish eating, starting with a hearty breakfast, a wholesome lunch, and a comforting dinner. You might be surprised at how deliciously simple Amish cooking really is. Breakfast is the most important meal in an Amish home. Since the Amish work hard, whether on the farm or in their shops, they need a hearty meal to start the day. One of the most common breakfast foods? Cornmeal mush. This simple dish is made by boiling cornmeal with water or milk, then topping it with homemade maple syrup. It's cheap, filling, and perfect for a cold morning. Another Amish staple is homemade bread with butter or apple butter. Since they bake bread fresh almost every day, it's a breakfast go-to. Eggs fresh from the farm are also a breakfast favorite, often served with homemade sausage, fried potatoes, or biscuits with gravy. And what about drinks? Many Amish families start their day with fresh milk from their cows, herbal teas, or postum, a coffee substitute made from roasted wheat bran and molasses. Lunchtime for the Amish isn't just about food. It's a well-earned break from their hard work. Their meals are simple but packed with nutrition. One of the most popular lunch dishes is homemade vegetable soup. It's made with fresh picked vegetables, often straight from the garden. Potatoes, carrots, onions, and sometimes beef or chicken for extra flavor. A cold lunch is also common. Fresh bread, slices of cheese, home-cured ham or turkey, and pickled vegetables. One of the most unique Amish spreads? Church peanut butter, a mix of peanut butter, marshmallow fluff, and corn syrup. It's sweet, creamy, and perfect for a simple lunch. For drinks, Amish families usually stick to fresh milk, homemade fruit juices, or iced tea sweetened with honey. Dinner is a time for family, faith, and hearty homemade meals. Since Amish families work hard throughout the day, dinner is often the biggest meal. One of the most famous Amish dinners? Chicken pot pie, but not the kind with a crust. This version is a rich, creamy stew with homemade noodles, carrots, and chunks of tender chicken. Another Amish classic is meatloaf, often mixed with fresh herbs and topped with a sweet glaze made from brown sugar and ketchup. Potatoes are a dinner staple, served mashed, roasted, or in a creamy scalloped potato dish. And of course, no Amish meal is complete without fresh vegetables from the garden. Tomatoes, cucumbers, beets, and cabbage are common sides. For dessert, Amish families love their homemade pies and dumplings. Apple dumplings, baked apples wrapped in sweet pastry and drizzled with cinnamon syrup, are a favorite. To wash it all down, they enjoy fresh lemonade, herbal tea, or cold buttermilk. The Amish way of eating is simple, natural, and deeply connected to their land and traditions. With homemade breads, farm-fresh produce, and hearty stews, their meals are not only frugal, but incredibly nourishing. Which Amish meal would you love to try? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into Amish life, simple living, and frugal food ideas.